Here are 16 cool tools for creating and editing videos. For video editing and production, Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve take the lead. Adobe Premiere Pro revolutionizes automated editing, while DaVinci Resolve impresses with AI-powered color correction and effects. In the animation and character design category, we have Adobe Character Animator for real-time animations and CrazyTalk Animator, which enables impressive character animations using AI. For creative video generation and creation, we recommend RunwayML and DeepArt. These tools transform ideas into impressive visual content. Lumen5 and Synthesia are leading in the field of text-to-video conversion. They transform written text into engaging video content. In the security and surveillance industry, BriefCam and Avigilon offer state-of-the-art AI solutions. For deepfake creation and detection, we introduce DeepFaceLab and Microsoft Video Authenticator, two tools that redefine the boundaries between reality and fiction. For interactive and immersive experiences, Vimeo Create Theia Interactive are unbeatable, setting new standards in video production. And finally, for video analysis and evaluation in the business sector, IBM Watson Media and Google Video Intelligence API are indispensable. These were the top 16 video AI tools in 8 categories that are shaping the future of video technology. For more information, visit worldwideweblinks.com and follow our channel for the latest updates and insights into the world of artificial intelligence.